Okay, this looks a little bit like the integral of cosine to the third power x, but it's a little bit different. If we used cosine squared x, we'd have the second product would be cosine squared x. And in the last time when we did the third, it was cosine squared x and cosine of x. So that when we switched it to sine, we were able to use that derivative to get rid of that cosine x. Well, in this case, it'd just be cosine squared times cosine squared, and we don't have anything that would be, the derivative would be cosine squared. So we've got to find another thing to substitute. Well, there was also a different one that we had, and that was that cosine squared of x equals 1/2 1 plus cosine of 2x. So if we use this method right here, then we can think of this integral as the integral of cosine of x squared squared. And if we think of it that way, then we can just substitute this. So we have 1/2 times 1 plus cosine 2x 1, 2, 3 squared dx. So still the same thing. We haven't done anything other than algebra so far. Well, 1/2 squared is 1/4, so I'm just going to bring that up front. And so what I get is the integral of 1 plus, foiling this all out, you get 2 cosine of 2x plus cosine squared of 2x dx. Well, I know what this is. I can figure that one out, but I can't do anything with that. So let's separate, I can't in this form anyway. So let's separate this out. So we get 1/4, 1 integrates to x, plus this 2 cosine 2x integrates into sine of 2x. So it's 1/4 sine of 2x plus the integral 1/4 of the integral of cosine squared 2x dx. So we've got this. Well, that's our problem here, but just like we did up on that stage, we'll do it one more time. So you have 1/4 x plus 1/4 sine of 2x plus 1/4 the integral of 1/2 times 1 plus cosine of now 4x dx. There we go. So I pull the 1/2 out, I get 1/8 the integral of 1 plus cosine of 4x dx. So that's 1/8 x, integrating the 1 plus 1/8. Now I have cosine of 4x. So to get cosine, I need sine. But I would have sine of 4x, so I need to multiply that by 1/4. So what I end up with is 1/8 x plus 1/32 sine 4x, bring down this other stuff, 1/4 x plus 1/4 sine 2x. And I can combine like terms, just have to combine the fractions. So what I get is that the integral of cosine to the 4th power of x dx is equal to 3/8, combining the 1/4 and 1/8 plus 1/4 sine of 2x plus 1/32 sine of 4x plus c. And there is your answer.